So this is the first introductory video of the Redux Toolkit tutorial. So here we are in the official site of the Redux Toolkit, and here it says the Redux Toolkit is the official toolset for creating efficient Redux development. So the Redux Toolkit is basically a library from the Redux team, and it simplifies the process of using Redux to manage state in a JavaScript application. Mainly we are talking about the React application. So it wraps and abstracts much of the boilerplate code, which makes it lot more easier and efficient to implement Redux patterns. So here it says it is simple, it is opinionated, either this is powerful and also effective. So the Redux Toolkit basically provides a more efficient and developer friendly experience because it provides a bunch of tools which can help streamline the development process. So let's now talk about few of the advantages of using Redux Toolkit. So first of all, here we have to use less boilerplate code because it removes much of the boilerplate. That means we can set up our actions, reducers and things very easily with less boilerplate code. And secondly, we have the simplified store configuration. So in Redux Toolkit, we can set up the Redux store with a single function, which is the configure store function. So only this function is required, which automatically applies the middlewares and the Redux dev tools, which is very efficient and easier to set up the Redux store. And also here we got the integrated Redux dev tool support. That means during the development, we can monitor and debug all of our state changes very easily. And fourthly, we can handle asynchronous logic. So the Redux Toolkit has the tools like create async thunk. So we can use that, and which simplifies asynchronous request. So these are all the advantages that we have while using the Redux Toolkit. So let's now talk about few of the core concepts that we should know about before diving into Redux. So first of all, in Redux we have the store, and inside the store we have the global state. So in any React application we have the user interface, and in the user interface we can have the buttons, we can have so many other interactive elements. Now suppose on click of this button we can increase the count. So on click of this button we can dispatch some action. So here we can dispatch, and we can dispatch some action, and now the action will go to the reducer, and based on the type of the action, the reducer will update and modify the state which is inside the store. Now because our store is updated, now we can get the updated state and we can update our user interface. That means we can have the updated count in our user interface, and this is how the Redux works. So here we should know about the dispatch, the action, the reducer, the store, and inside the store we have the state. So these are the core concepts that we should know about in Redux. Hope you understand the concept. See you in the next one. Take care.